Quanzhou KANGLONG Electronic Technology Company Limited is located in the optoelectronic base of Xiaomei Town, Nan'an City, Fujian Province. Founded in 2016, it has gradually entered the research and production of walkie-talkies with continuously improving production capacity. Focusing on the research and development, production, and sales of walkie-talkies and communication equipment accessories, it has demonstrated strong development momentum. Over the years, the company has gathered a team of professional talents covering an area of over 1,000 square meters with more than 35 employees and a monthly production capacity of 100,000 units. We have successfully developed over 20 series of products, including digital relay systems, vehicle-mounted high-power radios, digital DMR walkie-talkies, relay walkie-talkies, explosion-proof walkie-talkies, dual-mode walkie-talkies, public network communication, high-power, etc., and have promoted them to multiple countries and regions around the world. We have gained a foothold in domestic and international markets and have won widespread praise for our high cost-effectiveness and high-quality services. We have established a strict quality management system, strengthened quality control over the product production process, and win the trust and recognition of customers with high-quality products. Establish a comprehensive pre-sales, in-sales, and after-sales service system to provide customers with comprehensive, timely, and effective services to improve customer satisfaction and loyalty.